Welcome to our guide on virtual event planning using augmented reality technology. Today, we'll explore various resources to help you create immersive and engaging virtual events. First, let's dive into some essential books. Titles like Virtual Event Planning by R. Prasad and Augmented Reality for Events by J. M. Van der Linden offer comprehensive insights. Next, we have podcasts that cover the latest trends and technologies. The Virtual Event Podcast and the Event Tech Podcast are great places to start for expert advice. For visual learners, YouTube videos are invaluable. Check out Augmented Reality for Virtual Events by Bizzabo and How to Plan a Virtual Event Using Augmented Reality by Herbie. AI tools can significantly enhance your virtual events. Tools like Meta AI, Google Arcor, and Apple Arkit enable developers to create stunning augmented reality experiences. Courses are another excellent resource. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer courses such as virtual event planning and management and augmented reality for virtual events. These resources collectively provide a robust foundation for mastering virtual event planning with augmented reality. They cover everything from planning to execution. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you create unforgettable virtual events. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.